What if premature gray hair isn't permanent, but a signal your body is missing something specific? What if just 3 specific nutrients could actually reverse your premature graying when deficiency is the underlying cause? Most people waste money on expensive hair vitamins packed with dozens of ingredients when only 3 nutrients have solid scientific evidence for reversing gray hair. The truth is, 3 specific nutrients stand above all others for supporting melanocyte function and restoring hair pigmentation. Today, I'm revealing the 3 nutrients that reverse gray hair naturally, backed by clinical research and medical science. These aren't trendy superfoods or unproven remedies. These are evidence-based nutrients that doctors recognize as essential for melanin production. Stick around until the end, because I'll share the critical dosing mistake that makes these nutrients completely ineffective. The first nutrient that reverses gray hair naturally is copper, which serves as an essential cofactor for the tyrosinase enzyme that converts tyrosine into melanin pigment. Research from nutritional dermatology shows that copper deficiency directly causes premature graying by completely shutting down melanin synthesis, because tyrosinase cannot function without copper atoms at its active site. Tyrosinase is a copper-dependent enzyme, meaning it requires copper to catalyze the conversion of tyrosine to melanin. Studies reveal that when copper levels drop too low, tyrosinase activity decreases dramatically, melanin production stops completely, and new hair grows in gray or white instead of your natural color. Think about trying to start a car without a battery. That's what happens to melanin synthesis when copper is deficient. Clinical research has documented remarkable connections between copper status and hair pigmentation. According to research published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, patients with documented copper deficiency and premature gray hair who received copper supplementation experienced partial restoration of natural hair color in new growth within 4 to 6 months. The gray hair already present didn't change, but new hair came in with improved pigmentation as copper levels normalized. Studies from nutritional biochemistry found that people with premature graying had significantly lower serum copper levels and reduced tyrosinase activity compared to age-matched controls. The research demonstrated a clear dose-response relationship, with the lowest copper levels corresponding to the earliest and most extensive graying patterns. For people with documented deficiency or clear risk factors, supplementation with 1 to 2 milligrams of copper daily as copper gluconate or copper bisglycinate effectively restores levels. Studies demonstrate that copper bisglycinate may have better absorption and tolerability. The dietary approach provides copper from whole food sources including oysters, which deliver over 7 milligrams per 3-ounce serving. Cashews, sunflower seeds, almonds, dark chocolate with 70% or higher cocoa content, shiitake mushrooms, and sesame seeds all provide substantial copper. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you understand the 3 nutrients that reverse gray hair better, type "great" in the comments or "improve" if it doesn't. And if you're serious about reversing gray hair naturally, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. The second nutrient that reverses gray hair naturally is vitamin D, which plays critical roles in hair follicle cycling and melanocyte stem cell maintenance. Research from recent years has revealed surprising connections between vitamin D deficiency and premature graying, with multiple studies showing that people with the lowest vitamin D levels experience the earliest and most extensive graying. Vitamin D receptors are present throughout hair follicles, including in melanocytes and melanocyte stem cells in the bulge region. Studies reveal that vitamin D signaling influences the WNT pathway critical for melanocyte stem cell maintenance and differentiation into mature melanin-producing cells. Without adequate vitamin D, this signaling pathway malfunctions and melanocyte stem cells cannot properly maintain the pigment-producing cell population. Clinical research has documented associations between vitamin D status and hair pigmentation in multiple populations. According to studies published in 2020 and 2021, people with premature graying had significantly lower 25-hydroxyvitamin D levels compared to age-matched controls. Research showed that those with vitamin D levels below 20 nanograms per milliliter, indicating deficiency, had the highest rates of premature graying. Vitamin D deficiency affects over 40% of adults worldwide due to indoor lifestyles, geographic location, sunscreen use, and darker skin tones that require more sun exposure to produce adequate vitamin D. Research demonstrates that young adults and office workers are particularly at risk because they spend most daylight hours indoors away from the UVB radiation needed for vitamin D synthesis. Studies examining vitamin D supplementation and hair pigmentation have shown promising results. Research found that bringing vitamin D levels from deficient ranges below 20 nanograms per milliliter to optimal ranges above 40 nanograms per milliliter corresponded with improvements in hair health and some cases of improved pigmentation. Unlike some nutrients where deficiency is relatively rare, vitamin D insufficiency is epidemic in modern populations. Research shows that people living above 37 degrees latitude cannot produce adequate vitamin D from sunlight during winter months. Studies demonstrate that even in summer, sunscreen use blocks over 90% of vitamin D production. Get vitamin D levels tested through a 25-hydroxyvitamin D blood test. Research suggests maintaining levels between 40 and 60 nanograms per milliliter. If deficient, supplementation with vitamin D3 at 2,000 to 5,000 IU daily raises levels effectively. For severe deficiency, higher doses of 5,000 to 10,000 IU daily may be needed initially. Take vitamin D with fat-containing meals for optimal absorption. The third nutrient that reverses gray hair naturally is vitamin B12, which is absolutely essential for DNA synthesis and cell division in melanocytes. Research from dermatology journals shows that B12 deficiency is the single most common and reversible nutritional cause of premature graying, affecting millions of people worldwide who don't realize they're deficient until their hair starts losing pigment. Vitamin B12 is required for the methylation reactions that control gene expression in melanocytes and the DNA synthesis necessary for these cells to divide and function properly. Studies reveal that without adequate B12, melanocytes cannot replicate efficiently, synthesize melanin at normal levels, or maintain their pigment-producing capacity. Think about trying to run a factory without power. That's what happens to melanin production when B12 is deficient. Clinical case studies have documented remarkable reversals of gray hair after correcting B12 deficiency. According to research published in the International Journal of Trichology, patients with documented B12 deficiency and premature gray hair who received B12 treatment experienced visible regrowth of pigmented hair within 3 to 6 months. The gray hair already present didn't change color, but new hair growing from follicles with restored B12 came in dark and naturally pigmented. Your melanocytes might be literally starving for B12, unable to produce the melanin pigment your hair needs to maintain its natural color. Research demonstrates that B12 deficiency develops gradually over months to years because your body stores B12 in the liver. Studies from the British Journal of Dermatology found that people with premature graying before age 30 had significantly lower B12 levels compared to age-matched controls. The research demonstrated a direct correlation between B12 status and graying age, with the lowest B12 levels found in those who grayed earliest. Research shows that vegetarians and especially vegans are at extremely high risk since B12 exists only in animal products. Studies demonstrate that up to 80% of vegans and 50% of vegetarians have inadequate B12 status. Additionally, medications including proton pump inhibitors for acid reflux and metformin for diabetes significantly impair B12 absorption. Get B12 levels tested through a serum B12 blood test. Research suggests maintaining levels above 500 picograms per milliliter for optimal melanocyte function. If deficient, supplementation with methylcobalamin at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily effectively corrects deficiency. For severe deficiency, sublingual B12 lozenges at 1,000 to 5,000 micrograms daily effectively raise levels. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not know about these 3 nutrients that can reverse gray hair naturally backed by medical science. Understanding why these 3 nutrients work better together synergistically than any single nutrient alone is crucial for reversing gray hair. Research shows that copper, vitamin D, and B12 affect different aspects of melanocyte biology that interact with each other to maintain optimal pigment production. Copper enables the tyrosinase enzyme to produce melanin from tyrosine. Vitamin D maintains melanocyte stem cells and regulates hair follicle cycling, and B12 supports DNA synthesis and methylation in melanocytes. Studies reveal that addressing all three creates optimal conditions for melanin production that cannot be achieved by correcting just one or two deficiencies. Think about how a three-legged stool requires all three legs to be stable. Research demonstrates that melanocyte function similarly requires adequate levels of multiple nutrients working in concert. If you correct B12 deficiency but remain copper deficient, tyrosinase still cannot function properly even though melanocytes can now divide normally. The one-carbon metabolism cycle that requires B12 and folate also depends on adequate vitamin D for optimal function. Research shows that vitamin D influences gene expression related to this metabolic pathway. Studies demonstrate that vitamin D deficiency can impair B12 utilization even when B12 levels appear adequate. Research reveals that deficiencies in copper, vitamin D, and B12 all increase oxidative stress through different mechanisms. B12 deficiency leads to elevated homocysteine, which generates free radicals. Copper deficiency impairs antioxidant enzyme function, and vitamin D deficiency reduces cellular antioxidant defenses. The timeline for results aligns when all three nutrients are addressed simultaneously. Research demonstrates that copper, vitamin D, and B12 supplementation all require approximately 3 to 6 months before measurable improvements occur. Hair growth at roughly half an inch per month means visible pigmentation changes take several months. Understanding practical implementation, including testing, dosing, and forms, is essential. The approach matters as much as the nutrients themselves for achieving gray hair reversal. Get baseline blood tests for all three nutrients. If copper is low or you have risk factors like high zinc intake, supplement with 1 to 2 milligrams of copper bisglycinate daily. If vitamin D is below 40 nanograms per milliliter, supplement with vitamin D3 at 2,000 to 5,000 IU daily. If B12 is below 500 picograms per milliliter, supplement with methylcobalamin at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily. The forms matter significantly. Copper bisglycinate or gluconate is better tolerated than copper sulfate. Vitamin D3 is more effective than D2, and methylcobalamin is superior to cyanocobalamin. Choosing the right forms optimizes absorption and minimizes side effects. Timing and combinations enhance absorption. Take vitamin D with fat-containing meals. Separate copper from high-dose zinc, calcium, or iron supplements by at least 2 hours. B12 can be taken sublingually or with food. The biggest dosing mistake people make that renders these three nutrients completely ineffective for reversing gray hair is taking inadequate maintenance doses from standard multivitamins instead of therapeutic doses needed to correct deficiency. Multivitamins contain minimal amounts designed to prevent deficiency in healthy people, not reverse established deficiency or optimize levels for melanocyte function. Correcting nutritional deficiency requires doses significantly higher than daily maintenance amounts. Studies show that standard multivitamins contain only 6 to 25 micrograms of B12, 0.9 to 2 milligrams of copper, and 400 to 800 IU of vitamin D. Research demonstrates these minimal doses maintain adequate levels in people who are already sufficient but cannot restore depleted levels. Think about trying to fill an empty swimming pool with a garden hose versus a fire hose. Research reveals that therapeutic supplementation requires doses 10 to 100 times higher than maintenance amounts, depending on deficiency severity. People taking only multivitamins while expecting gray hair reversal are using the garden hose when they need the fire hose. Another critical mistake is not taking these nutrients consistently every single day for the minimum 3 to 6 months needed for visible results. Research demonstrates that sporadic supplementation produces unstable blood levels and prevents the sustained elevation required for melanocyte function improvement. Taking the wrong forms reduces effectiveness dramatically. Cyanocobalamin must be converted to methylcobalamin before use, and some people convert inefficiently. Copper sulfate causes more gastrointestinal upset, leading to poor compliance. Vitamin D2 is less effective than D3 at raising blood levels. The solution is using therapeutic doses of the active forms taken consistently every day for minimum 6 months. Copper bisglycinate 1 to 2 mg daily, vitamin D3 at 2,000 to 5,000 IU daily, and methylcobalamin 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily. Retest after 3 to 6 months to verify levels have reached optimal ranges and adjust doses accordingly. You now understand that the 3 nutrients that reverse gray hair naturally when deficiency is the underlying cause are copper required for tyrosinase enzyme function in melanin production, vitamin D critical for melanocyte stem cell maintenance and hair follicle cycling, and vitamin B12 essential for DNA synthesis in melanocytes. The first action step is getting tested for all 3 nutrients through serum copper or ceruloplasmin, 25-hydroxyvitamin D, and serum B12 blood tests. This identifies which nutrients you're actually deficient in and allows targeted therapeutic supplementation rather than guessing. The second action involves supplementing at therapeutic doses with the right forms, including copper bisglycinate at 1 to 2 mg daily, vitamin D3 at 2,000 to 5,000 IU daily, and methylcobalamin at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily based on your deficiency severity. The third consideration is understanding these nutrients work synergistically, addressing multiple aspects of melanocyte function including enzyme function, stem cell maintenance, DNA synthesis, and oxidative stress protection. Research demonstrates comprehensive nutritional optimization produces better outcomes than single nutrient correction. The critical factor for success is avoiding the biggest mistake of taking inadequate maintenance doses from multivitamins instead of therapeutic doses, using wrong forms, supplementing inconsistently, and not retesting to verify correction. Commit to daily therapeutic supplementation for minimum 6 months and retest to confirm optimal levels. Remember that reversing gray hair with these 3 nutrients requires correcting deficiency and maintaining optimal levels consistently over months. You won't see existing gray hair change color, but new growth may show improved pigmentation after 3 to 6 months of sustained optimal nutrient status. Results depend on whether deficiency caused your graying versus purely genetic factors. If this video helped you understand the 3 nutrients that reverse gray hair naturally with medical evidence behind them, please share it with someone who could benefit from this doctor-backed information. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about reversing gray hair through proper nutrition. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos with medical explanations of natural hair health solutions. Thanks for watching and trusting me to explain these 3 nutrients backed by science. I'll see you in the next video.